Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm here with a new fix about Wi-Fi adapter not found error on Ubuntu. Well, we're going to fix this problem with very detailed solutions. So look at our first image that showing check if Ubuntu detects any wireless hardware. You have to open the terminal and then type this command and run this. I hope you will see this kind of example output. If the Wi-Fi detect, then it's completely okay. If it's not, then we're going to move forward to our second image. And here you can simply see it showing check if the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. Just simply run this command and check it is disabled or not. If you see something that it's showing blocked, then simply type this command and simply unblock it. After, we can simply move to our third image to load the correct kernel module. Just simply type this command, and if you didn't get any output, then try loading common Wi-Fi drivers, like try one by one over here. After, if it's worked well, then we can simply move forward to the update system and install firmware. Here you have to try these three commands one by one, and then you have to reboot your system after this step. And then we can simply move forward to fifth image, install required Wi-Fi driver. If it's needed, then you can simply type this command and then you can simply get your driver output and simply type install the recommended driver over here. So after installing it, you have to reboot your PC. Also, you can check the BIOS and UEFI settings. That here you can simply open the BIOS section, and here you have to restart, enter BIOS UEFI. Usually if you press F2 or F10 or del or escape button, then your BIOS section or UEFI settings will shows up. And make sure here you have correctly enabled the wireless LAN or Wi-Fi or LAN device and save changes. After, you can simply check for hardware switch and check that the seventh step. After, we can simply move forward to the eighth step, try one by one command. And after our final check about the Wi-Fi adapter found, just simply type this command. I hope this time you found your Wi-Fi adapter. Also, we can check the refkill software block. You can type this command and you're going to get this kind of example output. After, you can check your kernel version if it's updated or not. You can simply type one by one this command and it will going to update your kernel version. And the last resort is try a live USB to confirm hardware is rightly detected. So try these methods and I hope it will going to fix your Wi-Fi driver not found error on Ubuntu. Thank you so much again. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.